I'm Jane from Poppy Patchwork and welcome to my quilt block series. In each of these videos I'm going to show you how to make a different block and they're all going to measure 12 inches. I hope you like this video. If you do, click the like button and please let me know in the comment section below what other videos you'd like me to make. Let's get quilting. Today I'm going to show you how to make a 12-inch Christmas tree block. And if you like this, you might want to buy my pattern for a wall hanging called Joy. It features patchwork, a flange border, applique and embellishments, and the pattern has full instructions and templates. It will be available to buy in my Etsy shop and I will put the link below in the comments. You will need 10 3.5-inch squares in background fabric and 2 2.5 by 5.5 rectangles, 2 2.5 by 4.5 inch rectangles, 2 2.5 by 3.5 inch rectangles, 2 2.5 by 2.5 inch squares and 2 2.5 by 1.5 inch rectangles. In Christmas fabrics you're going to need 10 3.5 inch squares and 10 2.5 inch squares. And for the bucket you're going to need 1 2.5 inch square. Making the half square triangles. Draw a diagonal line on the wrong side of all of the 3.5 inch background squares. With right sides together, pair up all the 3.5 inch squares. Sew a seam a 1/4 inch away on both sides of the line. Then, with your rotary cutter, cut along the drawn line and press the half square triangles open. Trimming the half square triangles. Lay the seam under the diagonal line on your ruler. And line the bottom and left sides to just over 2.5 inches. Trim along the right and top sides. Turn the unit round and lay the seam under the diagonal line on the ruler. Line the bottom and left sides to exactly 2.5 inches. Trim along the right and top sides. Block layout. Lay out all your units into the block layout. You're only going to need half of the half square triangle units. Sew in pairs. Until all the rows are sewn together. Mark the centre point on the rows with no seam in the centre. As shown in this photo. Pin rows together at the seams and the centre points. Sew with a 1/4 inch seam and then press. Mark the centre points on the rows again. Pin and sew the rows together. Give your block a good press. Congratulations, you have made the Christmas tree block. I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. More of these videos will be posted, so please tune in. Thank you for watching and bye for now.